Welcome! In front of me I have IMILAB W01 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna place my finger on the sensor at the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now, let's continue with the measurement. So, first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. And you can do it by pressing the side button, like this. And after you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. Now, swipe right on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll down through the menu, find the option called SpO2, tap on it, and the watch should start measuring the blood oxygen levels automatically. So I'm gonna place the finger on the sensor and let's wait for the results. It takes a couple of seconds basically. So stay still and wait for the results. And here we have our result. You can repeat the test by tapping on this button right here. And once you're done measuring, you can press the side button to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.